Apple might finally be shaking things up with the iPhone 17 Pro, and it's about time. For the first time in nearly 7 years, we're expecting a major redesign on the Pro models. Early leaks and dummy units show a completely new camera layout that stretches edge to edge on the back, giving it a bold, modern look. And some renders even showed a sleek two-tone finish, black on silver, that got people talking. But not so fast. According to Bloomberg's Gurman, that two-tone design, not happening. In his latest newsletter, he shut down the rumors and said Apple has no plans to go with a dual-tone back. Instead, the camera module will blend right into the rest of the back panel, matching the color for a more uniform look. Now, while the two-tone design is off the table, that unusual new camera layout might still be very real. Gurman didn't deny it, which hints that Apple could be going for something more radical this year. Also, big changes might be coming to the lineup itself. The iPhone 17 Plus could be replaced with a new model called the iPhone 17 Air, a thinner, lighter device that dials down on specs to focus on sleekness. And across all models, one new hardware feature will be consistent: that rumored camera control button on the right side of the phone. Of course, we're still months away from launch. A lot can change before September. But if these leaks are legit, the iPhone 17 series could finally feel fresh again.